Well, good evening. Looks like the snow has finally begun in Chicago. It's already 10 p.m. there right now, and it's snowing there at a pretty good pace there. But the blizzard conditions have not kicked in yet, and they will likely do so in the overnight hours. It looks like the snowfall in Chicago will not be as much as expected, and I'm now cutting down my snowfall forecast in Chicago to 4 to 6 inches, since the snow has not began sticking yet. I am cutting my totals for Chicago to 4 to 6 inches. Here's the radar right now in Chicago, and currently so I'm cutting my totals to Chicago. I'm cutting my totals in Chicago to 4 to 6 inches because the snow has not begun to stick yet, and I don't think it's going to accumulate that much, to be honest. As you can see, here's some of the heavier snow coming in, and already on the north side, it's already starting to collapse a little bit. So, looks like Chicago is not going to get as much snow as I anticipated. The center of the storm right now is just around Lincoln, Illinois. There's where the center is, just around the Springfield and Lincoln area. Here's the center of the storm right now. And it looks like the storm is almost drifting southward. I think they might even cancel the blizzard warning in Chicago, or at least change it to a winter storm warning because of the late changeover. Still under a blizzard warning, but they did reduce the totals to, I believe, under a foot. So they said as of 10:41 p.m., so this is localized higher amounts up to 13. I don't think 13. I think 4 to 8, 6 to 8 is more likely now. Maybe even 4 to 6 in a few areas. So you can see it's still snowing in Chicago. So it's light. It's not even snowing that much. Here's a live webcam from Chicago itself now. This is looking at the skyline now. It's definitely windy outside. It's snowing, I would say, moderately to heavily right now. But by the looks of it, it doesn't look too bad. This is Wrigley Field cam. This is another Wrigley Field cam right now. It's definitely windy out, and it's snowing at a pretty good pace there. But it looks like it still mixes rain. If you look at the roads, you can see what looks like splashes. So yeah, it's still raining outside of Chicago. In fact, if we're gonna go to Chicago, we're gonna go down to live reports right now from O'Hare. This is from O'Hare International Airport. Current temperature in O'Hare. Current temperature in O'Hare is now 33 degrees. Wow, winds are gusting to 41 miles per hour. This is one heck of a storm, though. And what they're saying is light snow and wind right now. They're not really showing visibility, but it's, wow, pressures are below 29 inches, 28.90 right now. I don't know if that's correct, but that's some pretty low pressures there right now. That's very unusually low. In fact, we're going to go to current conditions. Check Chicago. If we're going to go to current air pressure in Chicago, 48-hour barometer readings, 29.84 right now. So, yep, 29.84. Because there it showed 28.90. Yeah, that's probably a mistake. But the changeover to all snow will occur very quickly as Yeah, the changeover to snow will occur very quickly. I'm presuming because of how heavily the snow is coming in, and I mean it'll have to occur quickly because the window of opportunity for the maximum accumulations it's ending right now. In fact, because they're saying it's going to be accumulating like crazy, but I just don't see that right now. I don't think 10 inches is likely. I think Chicago should get 4 to 6 inches now, maybe 4 to 8 in some areas. I'm cutting down my snowfall accumulation forecast now for the Chicago area. In fact, most of the cars just look wet outside. So, I mean, the changeover has just occurred, so I mean, this is we go, Chicago terminal Doppler weather radar. And here it is. Chicago terminal Doppler weather radar. Everything's so far coming in from the southeast. So there's still waves and waves of snow coming in. Here's where Wrigley Field is. And according to the radar, Wrigley Field is in a... In fact, if you look at the exact position of Wrigley Field, the exact position of Wrigley Field is, it's right just near Lincoln Park, just north of Lakeview. It's north of Chicago, east, so just south of I-19. So this is where Wrigley Field is, right in this area right here. This is the Wrigley Field area. I mean, it's really close to the lake, and the lake's pretty warm. So some of this warm, less accumulation could be related because of wind off the lake. So, as I said, heaviest snow should be west of Chicago because the lake is very warm right now, as I said. And you can see that if you go over the lake, it's probably mostly rain. In fact, if you go to Wrigley Field right now, Wrigleyville. Yeah. Maybe Lakeview. Lincoln Park, maybe. Park, Illinois. That's closest to Wrigleyville. What? How did I get Jamaica? Okay, that it doesn't make any sense. Lincoln Park, Illinois. Okay. That's gonna work. See. There we go. 35 degrees of snow and wind. Okay. Sorry about that. Had some technical difficulties. And looking at the current snow cover, looks like some areas got at least a foot of snow. That's pretty impressive. This is heading right into Chicago now. Definitely impressive. And wind chill are very cold right now. And it looks like it froze again. No matter, I'm just gonna go to Wrigleyville. That's the Wrigleyville cam right now. And it's still snowing at a pretty good pace. But from the looks of it, it's still mostly rain. As you can see, splashes on the roads. It's a very wet snow that's coming out. It's hardly sticking anywhere. Everything is just wet. So much for a blizzard. Well, thank you for watching. This is a blizzard update. In fact, I'm going to be going to GFS now, see if anything has updated past few hours. I know we're probably up to hour 180 right now. Yep, exactly where I thought we were. Total precipitation accumulation. We should have some yellows. Yep, yellows and reds. That's going to be rain. Another rain event, possible severe event there. There might be a severe event Sunday afternoon, possibly. Here's that blizzard for Chicago. Looks like the worst of it should actually be just to the south of Chicago. Heavy rain Monday afternoon for New York. Possible lake effect Wednesday afternoon. And then another bigger storm coming in the pike later that week. There should be a rain event though, looks of it. Alright, and as we go out, severe event possible Sunday afternoon, especially in parts of Pennsylvania. Deep South might get a severe event. Yep, another rain event coming in. It's like, when is it finally gonna snow? Well, from the looks of it, I would say this is gonna be a rain event. I'm gonna pause the video, should resume in another hour once all the models comes in and I could get more updates on Chicago's weather. Wow, now it looks really bad in the cam. Yeah, now it looks like it's snowing pretty bad outside now. Yeah, it's Wrigleyville. Still doesn't look terrible. It's Wrigley Field, and from the looks of it, it looks still looks like it's snowing pretty hard outside. This is downtown Chicago sky cam right now. Camera's really shaking right now. Check if there's any more webcams. This is University of Chicago. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is the radar from Chicago right now. Looks like it's still pinwheeling in. And he's moving northwest here. Looks like it's not going to last much more longer there. So much for a snowstorm. Seriously. It looks like I would say the jackpot will be around the Joliet area. Because Joliet might get 6 to 12 inches. Chicago should get about 3 to 5. 3 to 5 for Chicago, 6 to 12 for Joliet. I think the jackpot should be here. Chicago, a couple inches, I would say, give or take. Everything just looks wet outside. Well, doesn't look that bad. But this looks bad. If you want to know where Rosemont is, I bet it's just southwest of Chicago. Should be more west of the city. Yep. Just as I expected. Less snow, more snow. You got lake enhancement. Because the winds are off the lake, you're getting colder temperatures, more snow. And that is why Rosemont looks very white and very snowy. In fact, Rosemont is actually here. Well, thank you for watching. I predict 6 to 12 for this area, 3 to 5 for this one, maybe even 1 to 3 right along the shore. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.